How to fix Etsy cannot process payment. To fix the Etsy cannot process payment error, first of all, make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, simply try switching to a better network. And then ensure that the billing address you typed in to Etsy matches the exact address registered with your bank account. A mismatched zip code or house number will also trigger an automatic security rejection. If you have a saved card profile on Etsy, delete it entirely and re-enter the card details manually to ensure the CVV code and expiration date are fresh. You can also try to call your card issuer. Banks frequently flag Etsy's transaction as suspicious because they involve independent sellers scattered around the globe. So you simply have to call the number on the back of your card and ask if they blocked a charge from Etsy. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.